All right, guys, I am back with her mirror. It is done. I do not have to do another coat, which is good. I'm gonna just put that on the floor and take this tape off. And we will see how I did. And I'll show you the mirror needs to be cleaned, but I'll show you how it came out. There's a little bit of pink still in some places, but I'm not too worried about it. The majority of it is, I just got to get it off. And there we go. There's one little piece right here. So it's filthy dirty, but it is white. See, it's white. And I'll clean it tomorrow and put it in her room because I got her room almost done. I'll probably finish that up tomorrow too. I just have the vanity left to do, and I'll do the final video on that, showing the ending. So there's still a little paint, it's reflecting down inside here. So, but for the most part, it is white, and she will like it. Let me put you over here. See, it looks good. Looks good. So that is her mirror. So I hope you enjoyed watching that little fun little project redo for her. And I get those all the time in this house. If I can fix it and not have to buy anything, then that's what I'll do. So thanks for watching, and yeah, comment down below, say hello, and we will see you again in the next video.